In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cast Google Meet to your TV or Nest Hub using Google Workspace for Business. Now, this is a super handy trick for anyone who wants to share their meetings on a larger screen for better visibility and collaboration, especially in a professional setting. To get started, make sure you're on your computer and head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by simply typing meet.google.com into your browser. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in using your Google Workspace account. Next, look up to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a grid-like icon commonly referred to as the waffle icon. When you click on this, it will open a menu displaying various Google apps available for your account. Navigate through these options and click on Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find apps and extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Cast. Typing this in will bring up a selection of casting options. From here, you'll want to find and click on Cast Kodi. Now, Kodi is a well-known media player application, and the extension facilitates casting functions that we'll use. When you click on Cast Kodi, you'll be taken to the extensions page where you can add it to your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome and confirm any additional prompts that appear asking for permission to add the extension. It should not take long and the extension will begin installing in your browser. After the Cast Kodi extension is installed, you'll notice a new icon appears in your browser's toolbar, which indicates it's ready to use. Simply click on this new icon whenever you want to cast your Google Meet call to your TV or Nest Hub. Make sure your TV or Nest Hub is set up to receive casts and the device is on the same network as your computer to ensure a smooth connection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly cast your Google Meet video calls onto a larger screen, making it easier to engage in meetings and participate with a room full of colleagues. Remember, using Google Workspace for Business gives you powerful tools to facilitate seamless creations and collaborations, and casting your meetings is just one of the many ways to enhance your productivity. So go ahead, try out this feature in your next meeting. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and see you in the next video.